Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to math. Today, we're going to learn a little more in depth about triangles, okay? Notice that I have a triangle on the board that is labeled A, B, and C, okay? Also notice that we have a little square here, okay? That tells us that it is a right triangle because the little square tells us this triangle, this angle C equals 90 degrees, okay? Now, we have to get into that familiarity, okay, into that habit, should I say, of knowing how to label a triangle, okay, when it comes to trigonometry. Usually when you're dealing with variables, okay, across from your capital variables, okay, your big variables, across are always your small variables, okay. So if this is A, then little a goes on the side, okay, between B and C. So if this is A, little a goes here. If this is C, little c goes here. And if this top one is B, then little b goes down here, okay, across. Now, there's something else we have to label this triangle as, okay? Always across from your 90-degree angle, okay? Across from it is always known as your hypotenuse, okay? So we have the hypotenuse. Let's do another color here. Let's go with, all right. Now, we're gonna introduce something to you you probably haven't seen before, okay? It's known as theta. If theta is on this angle here, okay, we usually label it as across from theta is always known as your opposite side, okay? So in this case, if theta is on A, then your opposite side would be between B and C, okay? Hypotenuse never changes. Always across from your 90-degree is your hypotenuse. If theta is on one of the angles, across from that angle is always your opposite. That means that next to your theta is always your adjacent, okay? Keep in mind, if theta, okay, changes, let's say now this time it's going to be over here, okay? Now we're going to move it over here. If that happens, okay, your hypotenuse, again, always stays the same because of the right angle. The only thing that changes, again, across from theta is always opposite. So what we're going to do is, instead of opposite over here, now the theta is over here, we're going to move it over here, okay? So now we're going to have opposite. And then over here, we're going to have adjacent, okay? Keep in mind, you always have to be very careful, okay? Where theta is located at, okay? This way, you'll know if you're opposite, okay? Where it's located, also where your adjacent is located, okay? All right, guys. So here's your assignment for today. Your assignment for today is, I'm going to draw two triangles, okay? Label it A, B, C. And then we'll have A, B, and C, okay? They're both obviously a 90-degree angle. The only difference is we have theta here on the first one, and we have theta here on the second. Okay, your job today, okay, is to label it with the little variables on the side they go on. Okay, where little a goes, where little b goes, and where little c goes. Also, you have to label it where your hypotenuse is, okay, where your adjacent is, and where your opposite is, okay, on the triangle. All right, so make sure you send me your answers as soon as you're done watching the video, and I'll be waiting for your email.